Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to your entry into the city fringe real estate market here at 2 bar 15 Stewart Road, Mount Albert. This 3-bedroom home is split over 4 levels and has more than enough room for the whole family. With the large living and dining on the lower level spilling out to the north-facing garden and decks, entertaining all summer long is a breeze. The middle level contains a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen and separate lounge area, and from here you also access the covered parking and laundry. The next 2 levels house 2 bedrooms, a mezzanine living area and a separate toilet, and you will not run out of storage space with large wardrobes in each. The location is super popular, and with easy access to the CBD, this friendly neighbourhood, where many young families are making it home, offers a short stroll to Mount Albert Village, trains and buses. There are plenty of local parks and great schooling on offer nearby. This is such a cool little home and we know it's going to be popular, so make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call and we can arrange a private viewing, and we look forward to seeing you here.